Here we got the front of the shop. Okay, parking, plenty of it. Garage doors. Walk around here real quick. As you can see, ample amount of parking here. It's a dead end. It goes around. There's a fence on the other side, so it does not a drive-through like people think it is. Go back inside. The front door. You got the night drop there. Sign, because we do approved interlock systems. Okay. Nice, comfortable waiting room here. Some placards on the wall, service counter, some customer warnings, heating and AC unit. Night drop, that's machine there is to tell the customers how the Intox-Lock works, but I don't utilize it. Okay, we have a bathroom over there. We have our service counter here with a computer, printer, credit card machine, what you need to be successful. Key holder. All right, this is the garage, that's one lift here. We have two AC machines. This one here is a YF1234. That is a 134A. Torch stands for doing the alignments. Oil drain buckets, that's the alignment machine. That's where I store the waste oil. We do burn waste oil in the shop, so that's how the whole shop is heated, the entire building. That's new coolant there. Got an engine job currently going on. This is a workspace bench over here with some tools and jack stands underneath. Over there on the shelf over there is all oil filters. That's the new oil tank. There's the computer, diagnostic computer. There, that's a lap that computer gets on Identifix, so you can look up wiring diagrams, etc. We have a lift, jack stand, pole jack. No, this is a transmission jack with a jack stand. That's tug job. Tug pulls in cars and pushes cars in. Nuts and bolts. Floor jack. And here's the tire room. The tire machines. They are Hunter machines, vacuum cleaner. We have one of those topside creepers here. Another transmission jack. This is a compressor. The compressor was purchased, I believe, in 2020. Floor jack right there, transmission floor jack. The tire machines were purchased in 2019, but I didn't take delivery of them until, I believe, 2022. That's a spring compressor. Okay, let's walk back out over here. That's the heater you hear running right now. That's the oil filters. That's a truck jack right there. I have another set of pods to do alignments on. In here, that's a welder. That's a brand new battery charger right there. Cabinet with a assortment of stuff in there. O-rings for AC, things like that. Tire pressure monitor and crap. Back over here. Let's go into the office. Homemade milk crate. Wipers. Over here we have a metal cabinet. We keep rags on there. Oils and stuff. You know, that's Delvac for trucks. That's transmission oil and things like that. And gear oil, brake clean, etc. Back behind here, we have a cabinet with some various tools in it. Okay. Close that up. Refrigerator, microwave. Coolant flush machine that was purchased in November of 2023. Here we are. Various timing tools to do various different jobs. As you get more and more of these cars with timing issues, you have to have the tools. So I go out and purchase them. Most guys don't do that. Another diagnostic scanner up there that does work. The boss's desk, place to eat lunch. Over here, cabinet. This is the calibration of the Intox-Lock system. Over here, that's a truck diagnostic computer. That's just a programming computer there when you need it. That right there is a dedicated Mercedes-Benz computer in that box. And underneath there, that orange hose, that's a 3/4 inch gun to do some of the big truck tires and wheels that we get in here from time to time.